today I'm going to Speed Syndicate to get the Civic corner balance and aligned. First things first, please go to our website and check out our stickers. We have this transfer sticker that's super cool with our logo. And then we also have our Wrench Race Refine Repeat sticker. That is a vinyl slap sticker. So go ahead and go to our website and pick those up. We also have new 3x3 RM logo stickers that are also really cool. So please go help us out and get some stickers for yourself. We have shirts available. Go check out our website, refine-movement.com, and you can click on the t-shirts link, and then that will take you to our Teespring, or you can go down in below the video and you can see the link there. And we have 2 designs and lots of colors and different style shirts. So please go pick up a shirt. The new suspension is on, so now all I need to do is get a good alignment, and now that I have new nice coilovers, I can go ahead and get a corner balance where I can adjust the weight of the car at each of the corners, at each wheel, so that the car is balanced as much as possible, because with front wheel drive cars, and this car especially, a lot of the weight is up front. The engine's up front and there's no weight in the back. So it's really easy for the car to go light in the back and want to spin. So I think with the corner balance, it's going to make the car even better. I'm going to Speed Syndicate in St. Petersburg. They are a race shop. They deal with race cars, high performance vehicles. They work on IMSA cars. They have an Audi in the Michelin Cup Series and the IMSA Racing Series. They maintain and keep these cars race prepped for actual professional races. So I'm gonna get my road tires on. I'm gonna check the suspension bolts one more time to make sure everything is okay and torque down to the right spec. I'm gonna load up these tires and wheels because I want those on the car to get an accurate corner balancing. So I'm super excited that I'm also bringing over to Speed Syndicate is my Z6 transmission. That has been sitting in my garage for over a year. I have partnered with M Factory to rebuild that transmission with all new M Factory and Synchrotech parts. Speed Syndicate is going to be putting that all together for me, and I'll talk about what that all is in a later episode. But today it's all about corner balancing and alignment. So here we go. So I'm cutting in here because that was a bust. Speed Syndicate got my car up on the lift and started to check everything over, and they found a lot of play in the rear wheels. You get what you pay for. The Password JDM rear camber kits with the spherical bushings that I have, they have a lot of play in the bushings. The guys over there, they checked over the actual camber arms, and they said that the design is kind of poor, and it has too much movement in the bushing for what the actual camber arm is doing on this car. So it's really just a poor design. So it's worn out only after a few track days, which is kind of a bummer. But I appreciate those guys checking over my car to make sure I didn't waste my time today and have to do a corner balance, in another track day. I left my transmission with them. They're gonna take care of that. I'm gonna get new camber arms, and I will eventually go back and get a corner balance and alignment. So that's where Honed Developments comes in and to the rescue, because Honed makes good stuff. Speed Syndicate had recommended getting Aurora spherical bushings. Apparently those are the best in the business. And I looked on Honed Developments website, and it said that their kit is made with Aurora spherical bushings, their rear camber kit. I can't praise Honed Developments enough. If you're gonna buy suspension parts, go to their website first, buy all of their stuff, and then find everything else somewhere else, because they have the best stuff for 90s Hondas. They just do. So I ordered those rear camber arms from Honed. Those will be coming in soon, hopefully. I'm hoping I can get those on before the IBOC track day, just so I can have more stability in the rear end. The car won't be corner balanced or aligned perfectly, but with those on, I should at least get a good stable baseline with the new suspension. Sorry, this episode is a bummer. What can you do? Next episode, you're gonna see a full session from my last track day, my fastest whole session, and just put a whole block of racing up for you guys to look at. Then after that, I'm going to the IBOC track day, and that's the video you'll see. And then hopefully I'll be able to go back to Speed Syndicate and get corner balancing and alignment after that. But please go buy some stickers. That really helps us out. We got some really cool stickers. And hopefully soon I'm going to be having Refined Movement t-shirts. Those will be up on our website when they are available, and I will let you guys know on Instagram and on YouTube. So please subscribe to our channel. Go buy some stickers. Thanks for watching, guys.